Breast milk is essential for your baby's first 6 months, providing all the necessary nutrients. But as your baby grows, their nutritional needs will change. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Women's Wellness Guide. In today's video we will be talking about a crucial topic for many parents: how to transition from breastfeeding and when to wean. Let's break it down. When to start weaning. Most experts recommend starting the weaning process when your baby reaches 1 year. However, the exact timing depends on your baby's readiness and comfort. Here are a few reasons why some mothers choose to wean early. 1. Inadequate milk production. 2. Baby's disinterest in breast milk. 3. Mother's health issues. 4. Returning to work. 5. Baby biting due to teething. How to start weaning. Now let's discuss how to start the weaning process. 1. Introduce formula milk. If your baby is under 1 year, replace one breastfeeding session with formula to begin the transition. 2. Distract with activities. Not every cry means hunger. Sometimes your baby just wants attention. Engage them in a fun activity to keep them occupied. 3. Focus on solid foods. When your baby reaches 6 months, start introducing smooth, milk-based purees. This helps them adjust to different textures. 4. Prioritize formula or solid foods. When your baby shows signs of hunger, offer formula or solids first. With consistency, they'll start associating these with meal times. 5. Use a pacifier. Babies often nurse for comfort rather than hunger. A pacifier can satisfy their need to suckle without relying on breast milk. 6. Night weaning. Weaning at night can be challenging since your body produces more milk during this time. Offer a high-calorie diet during the day to help your baby sleep through the night. How long will weaning take? The weaning process varies for each baby. It could take weeks or even a couple of months, depending on your baby's readiness and your consistency. What if your baby still wants to breastfeed? If your baby still wants to breastfeed, consider these strategies. 1. Change food or formula options. Experiment with different flavors or textures to find what they like. 2. Adjust your approach. If one method isn't working, try offering formula or solids at different times of the day until you find a routine that works. 3. Involve your partner. Sometimes, a change in caregiver can make all the difference. Let your partner take the lead during feeding times. 4. Establish a routine. Babies thrive on routine, so create consistent feeding times to help them know what to expect. What happens to your body after weaning? After weaning, you might experience hormonal changes, breast tenderness, and the return of your menstrual cycle. Weight gain can also be common, but this can be managed with a healthy diet. Always remember that every mother and baby is unique, so trust your instincts during this transition. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more parenting tips. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel. See you in my next video.